The 2013 Ford F-150 is about as common as finding rain in Portland, and yet, somehow, adjusting the emergency brake cable still manages to stump even DIY diehards. If your truck rolls a bit after parking or that pedal sinks to the floor, welcome to the club. Emergency brake cable stretch is a fact of life. Over time, with thousands of stops, intentional or otherwise, the cable loosens. If the brake doesn't bite until you're standing on the pedal, you're probably overdue for an adjustment. I get it. The idea of crawling around under your truck isn't appealing. Dirt, rust, maybe the ghost of last winter's road salt. But really, it comes down to about 20 minutes, a socket wrench, and a can-do spirit. First, safety first, because nothing ruins a Saturday faster than a runaway Ford. Make sure you park the truck on a flat surface, engage the primary brake, and chock the rear wheels. Even if you feel invincible, gravity still wins. Next, you want to slide under the driver's side. The adjustment nut is usually along the frame rail, somewhere halfway. Classic Ford, not quite reachable, not quite hidden. You'll see the main cable running from the cab to a junction and then splitting to the rear brakes. A 13mm deep socket is your move here, unless you prefer bloody knuckles and foul language. Find the adjustment nut, slap the socket on, and start turning clockwise to tighten. Small increments, because a quarter turn can be the difference between snug and seized. Here's a pain point nobody warns you about. If the threads are rusted up, it's like arm wrestling a grizzly. Spray a generous amount of penetrating oil and give it a minute. Those few extra seconds can save you busted tools and a bruised ego. Now, check your work obsessively. With the adjustment made, hop in and press the emergency brake pedal. It should feel firm by the third click, not like you're mashing a sponge. If you're at the floor by click 5, tighten it a hair more. Pro tip, I always check each rear wheel with the truck in neutral, wheels still chocked. The brakes should lock the wheels when the pedal is down and release easily when it's up. If not, you might have a sticky cable or a deeper problem. With so many trucks, the cable will fray and split with age. If your adjustments do nothing or the pedal never firms up, it's worth inspecting the cables end to end. Replacing them isn't cheap labor-wise, but driving around without a real emergency brake invites fate. Every time you adjust, you're squeezing another year out of your system. On average, you can go about 50,000 miles between cable replacements, but a quick tweak can save you $300 in labor and a tow truck call someday. Your knuckles might hate you, but your insurance agent will love you. If you've ever seen an F-150 roll across a grocery store parking lot, you know there are worse ways to spend a Saturday afternoon. Emergency brake cable adjustment isn't glamorous work, but it's oddly satisfying. You can fix a lingering frustration for every single parking maneuver, and that's a win in my book. Also, you won't have to explain to your neighbors why your truck is in their yard.